Hi Andrew, here's a quick test of your clocks now the conversion's complete. If I just power them on, you do the sweep, and then when you select gears, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, if you get a run stop condition with the switch, you'll get a warning pattern. You can select different warning patterns. I think there's 4 or 5. I'll leave it on that one. And whilst you're in gear, you've got 5 different levels of brilliance, so you can have that, but if it's too bright at night, you just turn it down to one that's more appropriate, and it remembers those settings when you turn off, so you don't have to set them each time. If I just give it some speed and RPM, if I give it 80 miles an hour and 9,000 revs, yep, that's all working. I won't leave it running, otherwise I'll run your mileage up. And buttons are all working. I'll reset that. And that one. Anyway, that's it. They're all done. Hope you like them. I'll get them back to you shortly.